this eyelash is not staying well. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a fun video and it's gonna be a goth makeup transformation, including the black clothes and everything. This is quite familiar ground for me because I've been doing this through my high school. Well, not as well I can do it now, so it looked god awful back then, but I didn't know better. And so I'm sorry if I sound a little nasal. I'm still a little sick. I've been having the flu this past week and it hasn't been that great. But without further ado, let's get into the video. So I have already washed my face and I'm gonna start with the primer. I am using the one that I always use, this Manhattan primer. Next, for the foundation, I am using my L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Foundation in shades 2N Vanilla. Looks like that. It's been quite a popular foundation lately, I've noticed. I don't like this. It got ruined. Now as concealer, I have in shade Sand Instant Age from Maybelline. I did not choose the shade wisely. In this case, it's too dark, but I always like to combine it with some highlighter and some contouring stick lighter and some powder, and that kind of works for me. Now this is the contour stick I was telling you about. I got these of Amazon. They come in threes. I've shown them before in another video, but in case you haven't seen that one, you can see them here. If you would like to know which ones they are, you can write in the comments down below and I will leave a link for it. The problem is these are from Amazon Germany, and if you're watching from UK or USA or Australia, I'm not sure under what link would those be, on Amazon.com or something like that. And then I will use for the powder, loose mineral powder in shade Nude. Looks like this. I got this in Primark. Really not pricey. It works. Okay, so that was a bust. I'm sorry for the abrupt cut. The problem is this thing right here shut down, and none of the footage that I've done so far has been saved. Therefore, you missed a really nice video of my cat, which is still there. But they were both so cute playing right there, so I made a little video on that and then I explained what colors I'm gonna use. So I have to do that again. Here they are. I'm using these blacks over here, and underneath I used this particular red. Nope, not that one, this one over here. It looks a little bit more pink than it is in reality on the camera, but it's probably the lighting and all that stuff. And yeah, that was not fun, missing the whole, and now I look like I have a black eye. Great. It stopped in the middle. I will fix this. I will fix it. Moving on to the eyebrows shortly, I'm using a simple black eyebrow pen to just fill them in and give them a little nicer of a shape. Next we are doing a little bit of contouring with the same stick that I've used before for many other things, because it's good. So since we are done with contouring, let's move on to eyeliner and eyelashes. I'm gonna be doing this off camera because it's a little bit easier, but I will tell you what I'm using. So I just got these off of Amazon. They're magnetic lashes. They look like this, and they are called magnetic eyelashes and eyeliner set. I don't know, M5 lashes. I did not cut them or trim them yet. I'm gonna do that afterwards. For now, I just want to use them and see how they look. There are 3 different sizes, and they come off with eyeliner. I bought a pair of, a set with 3 pairs of magnetic lashes before, where you attach one on top and one underneath, but I could never get those to stay. Oh my god, what a struggle. They just don't clip well. They clip halfway through your lashes. It's just too much of a struggle. So I'm just gonna put these and do the eyeliner. I'll be using this. It's the eyeliner that comes with the lashes. It's magnetic, and if I need some retouches, I'm just gonna go and use the L'Oreal Superstar eyeliner. I'll get back to you in just a sec. So I am back with these lashes. It was really easy to put them on, actually. They are extra AF. I mean, they are so long. Of course they need a trimming because I cannot go out on the street like this, although I really like how they look. Oh, this one's coming off, so just need to make sure that, I don't know, that the eyeliner is enough, I guess, and that they stick well. They look good. I don't know how long they're actually gonna last, how long that magnetic eyeliner is gonna stay on, and so on and so forth. I've never tried them before, but it's easy to put them on, and also with them being this long, it's gonna be a goddamn struggle for me to wear them because I wear glasses and they're just gonna be flopping in my glasses the whole time, so they definitely need a trim. But for now, I really like them. I'm just gonna fix this one quickly and be right back. Like, personally, I'm not a huge fan of this particular shape. I like them to be longer on the sides and a little shorter here than how they are right now, because here they are quite short and here very wide. So let's continue with some more black and eyeliner around the eyes, and then we have the lips, mascara, and we will be done. Okay, so don't laugh at me, but for the lips I'm gonna be using a combination of eyeliner, a black brownish lipstick from Lancome. Yeah, it's very dry, very matte, not like, it's really hard to get that one on, and that, and maybe some dark red for the middle of the lips. Let's see how that goes over. So that's the lipstick. We are done with the mascara. We just need a little bit of setting powder, setting spray, and we're good to change the outfit. Oh, almost forgot about highlighter. Must have some blinding highlighter, otherwise it's not a proper makeup. Am I right? By the way, I'm joking. So I'm just gonna settle this with my Hydrate Rose Water Hyaluronic Acid Aloe Vera spray. Love it. Very refreshing. As a side note, keep your mouth closed when you sit. Okay, I will just pop real quick into the black outfit that I picked out for this. Well, the shirt and the accessories are important because the pants is just gonna be black jeans. Nobody cares. They look good. It's simple black jeans, nothing special there. And I will see you in a second. There we go. There we have the complete look. Also, I'm sorry my hair looks like a disaster. It's because it's been with the hairband now. It's not extremely clean, and I had some braids, therefore there are some waves underneath. It's not great. Sorry. Happens. I found it only appropriate to wear these because they are real cute with like some tiny spiders on them. I got them on Halloween from Claire's. But yeah, also sorry for my arm. It doesn't look very nice right now because I just got this tattoo freshly last week, and right now it's peeling off the skin. It's through the healing process, which is completely normal. It just doesn't look so nice yet, but one more week and it will be perfection. Love that artist, so good. Shout out to you. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you had fun watching me transform. I had a lot of fun because I really like doing this. Makes me feel good. And trying out all these new products, new looks. I've never went that much on a goth makeup because here people don't wear makeup, so doing your makeup like this for the whole day, it's not very practiced here. But anyways, if you enjoyed, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more. I will try to post like once a week because I cannot more because I have a full-time job and I only have the weekends free to film. And yeah, thank you for hanging out with me, and if you want to see more, go ahead and check the other videos, and I will see you guys in the next one. I wish you a wonderful rest of your day and all the best. Bye!